In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ExpertOption app on Android. We'll use the safest and most straightforward method, which is downloading from the Google Play Store. This ensures you get the official version, timely updates, and the built-in security checks that protect your device. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the multicolored triangle icon. A stable internet connection is helpful here, ideally Wi-Fi, so the download completes quickly and without interruptions. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Expert Option. Take a moment to check your spelling so you don't land on lookalike results. In the search results, look for the listing titled Expert Option, Mobile Trading. Tap into it to open the app's page. You should see that it's published by ExpertOption. That publisher name is important because it confirms you're getting the official app. You'll also notice it has tens of millions of downloads, over 50 million, which is another strong indicator that you're in the right place. On the app page, you can glance at the description to understand what it offers. The official ExpertOption app supports mobile trading and provides both demo and real accounts, which is useful if you're just getting familiar with the platform and want to practice before risking real funds. When you're ready, tap Install. The Play Store will handle the download and installation for you. Depending on your connection and device, this may take a little time. You'll see a progress indicator, and it's best to keep the Play Store open until the process finishes. Once the installation completes, you'll see an Open button. Go ahead and tap that to launch the app right away. A few important tips before you get started. Always install the version published by ExpertOption on Google Play. Avoid downloading the app from random APK websites unless you fully trust the source and understand the risks involved. Unofficial files can be outdated or unsafe. And remember, trading apps involve financial risk. Only trade what you can afford to lose and consider using the demo account to build confidence and test strategies before moving to real funds. That's all you need to download ExpertOption on Android from the official source. If you followed along, you now have the app installed and ready to explore. Thanks for watching and stay safe while you trade.